Rooster. Go, 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 go. What you doing? Hmm? Maverick, why are you picking on the girls? What? Geese can't really see their feet, so they'll step all over pretty much anything that gets under them. You know, they want some birdseed. Maverick here, he keeps shooing everybody away. So he's the youngest and newest gander, so apparently he's the boss now. So it's not the same as it used to be, the dynamics. He shoos everybody. And there's Nelly. They all like the birdseed now. I don't like giving it to them so much. Because after they get their fill, they leave. Uh-oh. But I put the birdseed out on top of the posts for all the other wild birds. Out back, and those two posts right there, kind of in the center. I'll put some on top of there. They don't know what to do because I'm not opening it. That's Santana. Oh no, it's Rooster. It's getting harder and harder to tell them apart sometimes. He's like, open up. There's a little finch. Good, now they're eating grass. That's Hinata. And Nelly's right here. Uh-oh. Sounds like a duck fight. Alright. Well, it's been over 5 minutes now, so most people don't watch this far. But have a great day, and thanks for watching.